We approached UrsDigitally because we were looking for solution for digital marketing, and somebody recommended to us, and that's how we got connected. UD helped us actually in making our presence felt on the digital platform. Not only on digital platform, but with UrsDigitally, we have got many other technology solutions as well, like the sales team automation, order processing automation, and many other things. And I feel it's almost a year that we are working together, and the results are pretty good. The best thing about them is the whole UD team is, I would say, it's a very close-knitted team, and they try to give you solutions for nearly everything that you are looking for. What else?